John Woodbury. I work for Dave Williams Plumbing and Electrical. I'm a senior superintendent and been plumbing for roughly 30 years. We're out here in Point Loma, California on a podium deck. The concrete's usually anywhere from 11 to 21 inches deep. The products we're using out here today is HydroFlame Pro. We've been using HoldRite products for years, and the time and the labor I benefit from is great. Prior to this product, the cans we used were all metal cans. So if you had to extend them, you had to tape cans to can. HoldRite HydroFlame Pro cans are telescopic. They go up to 12 inches straight out of the box. And with the extension cans, we can adjust them to whatever depth we're going. When you're setting drains and working with different elevations, you can set your drain to the can, twist, turn, pull, and set a new elevation for the cans, for the drains. And what it does is give us access to the deck without core drilling their pour in place application. The application for installing these cans are 4 screws to 4 nails. It's really easy, just one in each corner. Walk to the next one. One of the advantages of using these cans is the fire caulking aspect of the job site. I do not have to hire a subcontractor to come out to do my fire caulking because the cans take care of that for me. The material that's used inside of the can responds to heat. It swells when it gets heat. It doesn't let smoke or heat through the cans. The red and white would be for a plastic pipe application, and the black and white would be for a metal pipe application. In my trade, it helps the guys distinguish for water pipe to waste pipe. So another company is considered using this product. There's a substantial savings with the fire caulking. It helps you pay for the extra cost for the cans by eliminating that cost right out the gate.